Okay, hey Professor Harrell. So I did the selective and differential media labs, and how I did that was I had my bacteria ready and my PPE on, and I took out the three agar plates, the MAC, the salt MSA, and then the EMB plate. I took those out and I took a loop, and before I did that I actually went ahead and marked them all with the three sections and marked the E. coli, the luteus, and the staphylococcus. I'm looking at my notes. So that was for this is the MAC plate, and you can see the growth from this is the staph, and then this is the E. coli. And then I did the same thing with the salt, the mannitol, and had the three. There was absolutely no growth on this plate. I don't know why. I thought I did that wrong, but I guess there was nothing to be seen there. And then I did the EMB agar plate. They're also sectioned off into three and labeled, and sorry, all you're getting is my reflection. But I noticed right here there's a streak. I'm trying to, I don't know. Yeah, there you go. So you can kind of see it there. So that's the streak that was there. And then there was another one for the staph, and it was like right there. So there was a little bit of growth on that and nothing on the Micrococcus luteus. So yeah, I really didn't have any growth for those on any of the plates. So that were kind of my results. But what I did is I transferred aseptically from the tubes to the plates, and making sure it was covered when I took it off. And I took the loop and got aseptically transferred it on in a zigzag pattern all the way down. Although from my results, it looks like I did not do a zigzag, but I did. And then I threw that away. For each plate, I did that instead of having used, I think I used 9 different loops. So nothing would get cross-contaminated. And yeah, then I took the plates and I put them outside and monitored them, or not outside, I'm sorry, near the window with the sun, and monitored them. And there was no growth for the first 48 hours or 24. Oh no, 48. And then or 24. And then the 48 hours came through, and I kept checking on it. After about that 2-day mark, I started to see a little bit of growth, mainly on the MAC plate. There was lots and lots of growth, especially from the staph and the E. coli. So that was really interesting. And then after the 96 hours, the 72 and the 96, they kind of kept growing, but stopped between the 72 and the 96 hours. So those were my results, and that's kind of what happened there. But I just kept them, and then I placed them on a book because I knew they were really low to the ground. So I put them on a book that I had with a paper so that it could be higher for the sun to hit it, because my tubes, they had better success because they were a little higher up off of our table that we have here. So that's what I did with that. The results were pretty great. I documented the results that I saw, and yeah, those were my results, and that was my lab.